Hopping, guys, we got garden and stuff to do. Okay, guys, we're back, and today we're going on a field trip. Ooh, and look where we are. Burger King. Oh man, I dropped my Hulk. I have a Hulk action figure. Today we're at Burger King and we're going to be doing the Whopper Tomato Challenge. You're probably wondering what that is. We go to Burger King, get a Whopper, maybe eat some fries or something, I don't know. But then we go back home, take a tomato off, plant it to see if it grows. Found the door. Number, yeah. No. The Whopper Tomato Challenge. They could have gave us better tomatoes, but we'll make it work. Yeah. This is a big. Never had a Whopper before. Well, now I have. And it's awesome. Let's go. Now we're going to start the Whopper Tomato Challenge. So, take your tomatoes, go do a smell test. Put them down, just like that. Then just put some dirt on them. And I've seen like YouTube videos about like them doing this, and like it's kind of like a time lapse, and they grow. So let's just hope they grow too. So our main objective here is to get 3 things that we need. First is to get a tomato plant. And if we get tomato plant, hopefully we can get a tomato. And if we get a tomato, hopefully we can harvest that tomato. And we want this before the first frost, which is in like 4 months. It's fall. Then every year at this time, I know, go down to Burger King, get myself a Whopper, and we can do it again. The Whopper Tomato Challenge. And I'm going to keep you updated on this throughout the summer. Leave me a comment down below. Do you think we're going to get a tomato? I do. Okay, so guys, you got to comment below if you think that we're going to get a tomato. I'm going to get a tomato. Because if I don't, I'm going to be angry, and nobody likes me when I'm angry. So anyways, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you.